In this video, I'm going to show you how to add discount on Shopify product. It's a very simple process, and you can do it in just a few steps. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Products and select the product you want to put on sale. When you scroll down a little, you'll see that each product variant has its own price. For example, if the default price is set at, that's your regular selling price. Now, to apply a sale price, click on All Variants and then select Bulk Edit. In the Bulk Editor, you'll see the different variants and their prices. From the Columns menu, select Compare at Price. Here's how it works. The Compare at Price is the original price of the item, while the price is the discounted price. So, for example, if your product normally sells for $1,200, you'll set the Compare at Price to $1,200, then set the sale price to $100. After you click Save, you can check your product on sale by going to Preview, and your product will now show as being on sale. And that's how you can quickly put any item on discount in your Shopify store. If you don't already have a Shopify account, click the link in the description to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.